Hello students, what we are going to discuss today is Unit 3.3 and the Chapter 1 of History Class 10th Nationalism in Europe. In the last video, what we have discussed about, hunger, hardship and popular revolt. What was there in that video? We have discussed in the last section, that is Unit 3.2, we have discussed that the poor people were revolting against the landlords or the monarchies. They were revolting against the monarchies. So what we are going to discuss in this video, right, the unit is the revolution of the liberals. The unit is the revolution of the liberals. What the liberal people think? Liberal means middle class. The third estate, what was there? In the third estate, two categories were there. One were middle class and one were poor peasants. Right. So what was there? Earlier, the poor peasant raised their voice. And what monarch did? Monarch suppressed their voice. But what happened? The middle class, what they think? This is the chance. Point 1, you see, revolution parallel to revolts of poor. When the poor people started the revolt for the high prices of the food grains, then what they think, the middle class people, what they think, this is the good chance to revolt against the monarchy. So they started raised their voice against the monarchy, and it was led by liberal middle class men and women. I told you who was the middle class. Middle class means they were the people of the third estate, but they earned the money with the help of business. Right? After earning the money, they educate their kids, and after that they thought that why the clergies and the nobilities, why they are getting the privileges by birth. So what they did, they raised their voice, and what they want, the constitutionalism with the national unification. What is national unification? Means as you are watching the countries like Germany, Italy, Poland, Austria-Hungary, what was there earlier? This was not there. These territories were not there. These were under the control of different kings. So what happened? France has brought about the abdication of the monarch, and a republic based on the universal male suffrage has been proclaimed. What happened? That when the middle class people raised their voice and constitutional monarch was abolished, was abdicated from his post, then a republic set up. In the last video we have discussed about that. Then the republic set up. After setting up the republic, what happened? Every adult male got the right, with the age of 21, got the right to vote. Right. And what happened in the other parts of Europe, where independent nations did not yet exist? Means I told you that whatever nations you are watching today, like Germany, Italy, Poland, Austria-Hungarian Empire, they were not exist in the early time. Right. So what was there? Men and women in these areas, Germany, Italy, Poland, Austria-Hungarian Empire, men and women of liberal middle classes combined their demand for the constitutionalism with national unification. Means they want to remove the monarch from their areas, and they want national unification. Means suppose on Germany there were rule of different kings. They want that the rule of monarch will be over, and we want national unification. Whole area will be under one nation. Right? This was there. And let's see the case of Germany, as you are watching today, Germany, it was not Germany earlier. It was Prussia. Right. So what happened? case of Germany, let's see the case of Germany. In Germany, in German regions, a large number of political associations whose members were middle class professionals, middle class groups, middle class groups. What they did, who were there in the middle class? Professionals, businessmen, and prosperous artisans came together. They came together, and where they came together? At Frankfurt. Where? At Frankfurt, right, a city, and decided to vote for all German National Assembly, and voted for all German National Assembly. Everyone has to write the complete name. Voted for all German National Assembly, right? So what was there on 18 May? When 18 May 1848, what happened? 831 members. 831 members. Here members are there. 831 members elected representative march in the festive procession to take their places in the Frankfurt. Means what they did, they moved to the Frankfurt at St. Paul Church. At St. Paul Church. What is that St. Paul Church? You can see in figure 10. It was the parliament of Germany. Means that time Prussia. It was the parliament of Prussia. So what was there? They drafted. What they did? They gathered at Frankfurt in the parliament at St. Paul Church. They drafted a constitution for German nation to be headed by a monarchy subject to a parliament. Means they want that now monarch will leave their power, and what should be established there should be establishment of a parliament. There should be establishment of a parliament. So what they did, when the deputies offered the crown on these terms of the Frederick William, what happened? What they did, they drafted a constitution. Who drafted the constitution? National Assembly. National Assembly drafted the constitution, and what they were saying that king will work according to the constitution. But Frederick William IV, who was the king of Prussia that time? Frederick William IV, king of Prussia. What he did? He rejected the constitution that was made by the all German National Assembly. And what happened? Parliament failed. How parliament failed? The king Frederick William joined with the other monarch. He joined with the other monarch like Italy, Poland, right? He joined with them, and they curbed the voice of the middle class. What they did? They curbed the voice of the middle class, right? So what happened? The parliament failed. The parliament failed. Then what happened? What was the role of women in that? What was the role of women in that? And that the all National Assembly was considered, and it was disbanded. It was banned. It was banned. So what was there? What was the condition of women in that? What was the position of women? The position of women was not so good. So what the women did? Women formed political association for women's right. What they did? They formed the political associations for women rights. And when they were discussing about when all the people gathered at the St. Paul Church, then women were standing in the corridor, visitors corridor. Then women were standing in the visitors corridor, right? As the observer. They formed political association for the women rights. So this was there for the women. But now what was the condition? The conservatives were able to suppress conservatives. Who were the conservative? Mean the rich class, aristocrat, monarchy. What was there? They were able to curb the revolt that was raised by the middle class. We have seen the parliament failed. They curbed their voice, but they now came to know. But now monarch came to know. Now this time we have curbed this. This time we were able to curb this revolt, but in the next time it will not be there. Next time it will not be there. We will not be able to suppress the revolt. So fearing future revolutions, monarch granted concessions and introduced changes. What they were doing now, what they have started, that they started giving concessions to the middle class or the poor. And why this became fail? Because poor people do not participate in did not participate in that. Who was not participated in that? Poor people. Only middle class were there. So what was there? Fearing future revolution, monarch granted concessions and introduced changes. Why they introduced? Because they were knowing that if the next time revolt will be there, they will not be able to curb that revolt. So अपनी ही छवि को अच्छा दिखाने के लिए what they did, they grant concession and they introduced changes. Serfdom and bonded labor abolished. What happened? Serfdom and bonded labor abolished, and the autocratic power also abolished. Serfdom means when the feudal lords were giving the land. What was the serfdom? The poor peasants, the feudal lords, what they were doing, they were saying that we are having the ample of land, you do work on our land, you earn money and then give us money. That was serfdom. And bonded labor were abolished. Bonded labor means bandhua mazdoor. The laborers are not allowed to go back to their home or villages. So this was their unit 3.3, that is 1848, the revolution of the liberals. We have seen the revolt of 1848. Oh, that was of poor and this was of liberals, right? So this was the video, this was the topic. Revise this topic very carefully, and in the next video we will discuss about the unification of Germany, the making of Germany and Italy as well as with Britain, right? So till then revise it very carefully. Thank you.